If you run a cleaning, HVAC, electrical, or landscaping or repair business, you know how hard it can be to manage jobs, clients, and payments, all while staying organized. Three of the most popular field service tools today are Jobber, Marketti, and Tradify. Each one helps you schedule, invoice, and track jobs, but the right choice depends on your business size, budget, and tools you already use. So in this tutorial, we'll be comparing Jobber versus Marketti versus Tradify, side by side, to help you pick the best fit for your business. By the way, I've included links in the description and pinned comment so you can try out these platforms for completely free. To kick things off, what is Jobber? Jobber is a field service management platform designed for small to mid-sized service businesses. With Jobber, you can schedule and assign jobs easily, send quotes and invoices automatically, collect card payments online or in the field, track your team with GPS, send automated reminders and follow-ups. It's ideal for growing teams that want to save time and look more professional. Now, what is Marketti? Marketti is a lightweight, affordable business management app made for solo operators and small local businesses. With it, you can manage clients, jobs, and invoices from your phone, send quotes and contracts, track expenses and payments, collect reviews from customers, and also send reminders and text notifications. It's simple, affordable, and very mobile friendly, perfect for cleaners, handymen, and small trades who don't need complex softwares. And what is Tradify? Tradify is built for tradespeople, electricians, plumbers, and builders who need job costing and accounting integration. With Tradify, you can create and send quotes or invoices, log labor hours and materials used, sync with Xero or QuickBooks for accounting, schedule jobs with ease, use the mobile app for on-site updates. Tradify is focused on job tracking, costing, and financial accuracy for small trade teams. Now, let's take a quick look at some key differences when it comes onto these platforms. For example, let's start off with ease of use. All three are beginner friendly, but for different users. For example, when it comes onto Marketti, it is the easiest, as it is built for mobile use with almost no learning curve. Jobber looks and feels more professional, with drag and drop scheduling and automated workflows. Tradify is simple but adds more accounting and costing steps. So if you are new to business management, Marketti may be perfect for you. If you want automation and client polish, I would recommend that you go with Jobber. While if you track materials and jobs closely, I would recommend that you go with Tradify. And if we were to compare them via features and automation, Jobber leads when it comes onto automation. With Jobber, you'll be able to send codes, reminders, payments, and follow-ups can all run automatically, while Marketti focuses on simplicity, quick invoicing, text reminders, and expense tracking. Tradify emphasizes accuracy. It helps you track real job costs, materials, and labor for trades like electrical or plumbing work. So if you want automation, then I would recommend you go with Jobber. If you want affordability, you could go with Marketti. If you want job costing, then it is best you go with Tradify. Now let's compare their pricing. With Jobber, you can get started for completely free. And if you are a one-man team, you can get started for as low as $39 per month, and it can go up to $199. And if you have a large team, you can get started for $169 if you have 5 users, and if you have up to 15 users, it will cost you $599. With Marketti, you can also get started for completely free, and it begins at as low as $5, and it can go up to $39, as you can see right there. With Tradify, you can also explore this platform for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $47 and it can go up to $61. So Marketti is the most budget friendly, while Jobber offers the most automations and Tradeify provides the best tools for tradespeople. With this information in mind, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Marketti if you are a solo operator or small team and you want a simple mobile app that handles everything and you are focused on affordability and speed. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Jobber if you are a growing service business and you want automated reminders, invoicing, and payments, and you care about professional branding and client experience. And I would recommend you choose Tradeify if you are a tradesperson managing multiple jobs and you need job costing and accounting integration, and you prefer simple job tracking with financial accuracy. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. And by the way, each of these tools can help you organize your service business. The difference is in scale and focus. Thanks for watching.